Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be polishing these aluminum rims using Master Formula. I'm going to take you through my process, and hopefully at the end we'll have some rims that look just as good as new. But first, I'd like to give a big shout out to my buddy Lawrence for sponsoring this video and bringing us the wheels off his 1970 Chevelle. And before I do any polishing, I'm going to go ahead and wash the rims real quick. And this just allows me to start fresh with a clean surface. And once dried, I can look over the rims and see which one's going to need the most polishing. So far, this one. But overall, these rims are in great condition. But I like to get that mirror shine back. And we got a little polishing to do on the center caps. And to get the job done, I'll be using some microfiber cloths, a drill, and some cone-shaped polishers. So after using Master Formula for a few projects, the trick is to be generous with the polish. So we don't have to let the polish dry. We can hop right in with a clean polishing comb and start the polishing process. I'll also point out that I use a cone for each coat of polish. And just a heads up, if you're after that mirror shine, a deep cleaning like this could take you anywhere from 1 to 3 hours per rim. Just depends on how shiny you'd like it. And once I'm done polishing, I'm going to grab a clean cloth and start buffing, removing all of the polish. And you can start seeing the shine come back. So we polished it the first time and we buffed it out, starting to look nice. Now we're going to come in with a second polish and we're going to buff it out and we're going to see what it looks like. So it's important that I take my time and allow the cone to spin and polish every bit of the rim. And moving on to the buffing, you can see it takes some elbow grease. And there we go. The second coat of polish is done. But I see a few areas I want to improve on. So I'm going to go ahead and do a third coat. And this is more of the mirror finish that I was after. So what's cool is these rims are 20 years old. So not bad being a 20-year-old rim with a mirror shine. Alright, so I'm done polishing and I'm gonna move on to the sealant phase. Now I'm gonna put 2 coats of sealant and it locks in the gloss and it makes it waterproof. So the important thing about this step is I have to have ultra clean hands when applying the sealant. And we're going to apply it real generously and lock in this shine. So after 5 minutes of letting it dry, I was able to grab a cloth and buff out what was left of the sealant. And to make sure I didn't miss a spot, I did 1 more coat of sealant. Alright guys, there we have it. Freshly polished aluminum rims using Master Formula. Although it took some time, brought back some shine. Hope this video was useful, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.